I've managed to work my way into the Petronas lab here, the back of the Mercedes garage. Nasri and Stephanie, Mercedes is celebrating 125 years of motorsport, but you guys at Petronas have worked now for 10 years on a very successful period of the team. What goes on in here?
The fuel is regulated, so we must ensure that the fuels are free from contaminants, because the FIA can come in anytime, and if they find that there is some contaminants inside the fuel, they can disqualify the team. With regards to the oil, this is a sample from the fire-up, and this is a sample after one event.
And what's in it? What makes the difference?
Okay, basically the oil will degrade, of course, and the other thing is that there are metallic particles picked up by the friction inside the engine.
So in this machine, a spectrometer, we measure the amount of wear within the engine oil and the gearbox oil. Every metal component corresponds to a different part of the engine, and the team knows exactly where they've put every metal. So we inform the team if a certain parameter is high, and then they will act upon what we tell them. So we take a small sample, put an electrode within, put the sample in, and start running.
So basically, in 15 seconds, you're able to tell the team, essentially, the exact metal breakdown of what's in that bit of oil.
Exactly.
And therefore, they can detect the problem even before the engine goes pop with a big cloud of smoke out on track.
Exactly.
Can you do it live during a session?
So we take a sample before and after every session, but say in free practice, if there was to be an issue when the car came back in, the team can ask us to take a sample and run that sample then and there. And
in terms of giving Mercedes lots of power, how free are you guys to develop the fuel for power?
The power is done by our top guys back in the research center.
In Malaysia?
In Malaysia and also in Italy. But over here, our job is to ensure reliability and also compliance.